In this video, I will guide you on how to set your own photo as wallpaper for your HiWatch Ultra GS Smartwatch. This is actually the Series 10 HiWatch Ultra GS Smartwatch. But if you basically want to set your own custom wallpaper or your own photos or pictures as the wallpaper for any HiWatch Ultra GS smartwatch you have, this video will guide you on how to go about doing that. Basically, you want to first of all go ahead and scan the QR code on the smartwatch. So on the smartwatch, you should be able to find the QR code icon over here, select it, and then make sure you scan the QR code using the camera app on your phone. Once you open it up on the browser, you should be able to identify the app that your smartwatch uses. And then from here, if you're using an iPhone, go ahead and open this up on the iOS App Store, or if you're using an Android phone, just open it up on the Google Play Store. In my case, it is the Google Play Store. And then I'll just make sure I download and install the HiWatch Ultra GS Smartwatch app from over here. And once the app is done downloading and installing on your phone, you want to go ahead and open it up and set it up for the first time. And then from here, the app is going to ask for your location. Go ahead and give it permission to access your location. Also, at the top notification center of your phone, make sure you turn on Bluetooth so you can actually connect it with your HiWatch Ultra smartwatch over here. Now what you want to do next is to click on the devices tab at the bottom, and then just go ahead and click on the bind devices, but then give it permission to use your location to find devices, and then also give it permission to pair with Bluetooth as well. Now what you want to do next is to just click on the go bind feature so that it can actually connect with your HiWatch Ultra GS smartwatch, and now it is searching for available devices it can actually connect to. And in my case over here, you can literally see my HiWatch Ultra 2. I'll go ahead and select it. Now it is trying to connect. Just give it some few seconds. And now that it is successfully connected, you want to go over to the dial settings over here, select that, and then you want to scroll down continuously until you get to the custom dial at the bottom over here. Go ahead and select this option. Then go ahead and click on the select button over here. Give it permission to access your phone's gallery, so click on allow all. And then from all of the photos over here, you want to go ahead and select any picture or image you want as the wallpaper on your HiWatch Ultra smartwatch. So I'll go ahead and just select this one over here, and then you can actually just crop it whichever way you want, just like so. Then click on the check button at the top. Then just go ahead and click on the install button, click on install again, then click on got it. And just like so, my custom wallpaper is now being sent into my HiWatch Ultra GS smartwatch over here. Now once the installation is completed, your HiWatch Ultra smartwatch is going to restart itself and now come with the photo that we have set as custom wallpaper for the HiWatch Ultra smartwatch. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.